This property sits on the beautiful Fox River. I was given the opportunity to choose plants that would enhance the property itself, but in a natural way. Plants that would effectively control the slope erosion and not block the view. And then also to find plants that introduce color at different times of the season. And this particular homeowner loves color in every form and fashion. The home has a lot of natural elements, so choosing the correct hardscape that wouldn't contrast too much, that would enhance and then also look good in terms of color coordination and then styles. In choosing the pattern and the pavers that we did, I think we were able to meet that perfectly. Once they got laid on the ground, everybody had a big smile on their face.
Our maintenance programs are customized to each property. Nature will always win. And if things are let go too far, things are going to lose shape and look unruly. So to have that maintenance really keeps things looking in check with the investment you initially made into that landscape.